Goodbye, my dears. Remember to lock the door carefully.
Okay, Mom and Dad. Goodbye.
Hello! Your pizza is here!
Thank you. Wow, it smells so good.
Let's eat it here in the living room. Wow, it has tomatoes and sausages. Wow, this pizza is so good. Yeah, Mom and Dad understand us so clearly. They chose the right flavor.
Nice. I'm feeling that today is my lucky day. Mom and Dad will not come home today. So after eating, we have to clean ourselves.
That's nice. I will take every valuable thing in this house. Now, where is the money? Look what I have here.
Let me find something to eat first. So many foods here. I won't have to go to the store tomorrow. Nice snacks. I will take some of these.
This is so good, but I'm so thirsty. Luna, do you feel thirsty?
Yes, I do. Please take a glass of water for me, too.
Okay, stay right there. I will take some juice for us.
Thank you.
Wait, what are those? Mom cleaned the house before she left. So this may be not from Dad's shoes. Oh, no. I did not lock the doors. Someone broke in our house. Let me see where those shoe prints lead to. Oh no, a thief! I must tell Luna about this. Luna, a thief broke into our house and stealing stuff's in the kitchen. Oh no. Okay, let me think. He broke into our house, so he might see us when he passed the living room to the kitchen. So, I have an idea.
The kids are still watching TV. I will go upstairs and find more valuable stuffs.
Hello? There is a thief inside our house. Please send someone here. We are very scared now.
We will wait until the police comes.
Yes. Don't worry, Luna. We'll be safe here.
Whoa! Jewelry and some cash. Lucky me. I will be rich. What a treasure.
Police! How did they come here? Oh!
My trick works.
They are here. We are safe.
Stop! You are under arrest. Fine. I surrender. All right, in the car. Watch your head.
I know.
Move your feet.
We did it! We did it!
You did a great job calling the police. I'm proud of you.
Now make sure you lock the door carefully. Now,
everything is safe.
Thank you, officer. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.